that baby? Say good morning, everybody. Good morning. Say hi. Hi guys, we are getting ready for today. I'm trying to get myself ready. I got a shower and I'm trying to do my makeup and hair. It's a little hard when you got a baby that wants to be fed and changed and all that fun stuff. And you're trying to find something to wear when nothing really fits right because your maternity clothes are too big and your regular clothes are too small. The kids and Randy went to church today. I wasn't going to go back to church until she was 6 weeks old. So they're at church and they're coming home with, I guess, Grandma and Grandpa, who are going to be coming for lunch and delivering pizza for us for lunch and visiting for a little while. And then it's a busy day because then we're going to my parents for dinner, for Sunday family dinner. And we're celebrating Randy's birthday and my brother's birthday. This year, I mean this month especially is the month of birthdays for my family, like December, January, like kind of like the winter months. So Randy's birthday was actually on Thursday, and that's why one of the reasons why he took off to help me out too, but also for his birthday. But all right, Birdie has something to show me that he made that he made at church. Show it up close. Can you show it up close?
This is how I made it. I grabbed these, glued them together, I got the clothes, put them on, and then I wrote a mouth, and then a face.
Okay, can you hold it up?
And then some teacher tied this.
Oh, she made the tie. Here, can you hold it up to the camera? Whoa, there it is. What'd you learn about?
Jesus.
Yeah?
Oh, and there's another face. Which face looks better?
They look about the same, buddy. I don't know. Comment below on which face you think looks better.
Oh, Mom.
Yeah?
Red light and yellow light.
Okay, do we like the side? Hold it up. Does everybody like the side? Does everybody like the face better with the orange dots on it? Or turn it around. Or the face better with no dots on it?
Hi guys, we have some company today that came to see baby Linnea.
We did. Oh, she wants to see you.
Is Grandma holding you?
Grandma came to see you.
Yeah, we see you on Facebook.
And they brought pizza. You want some pizza?
I won't say that might give me heartburn.
Yeah.
I was a little young to that, Daddy.
So this is my mom's sister, Sienna. So came to visit and wanted to see baby Linnea.
Yeah, she's so cute, aren't you? She's so cute.
Oh, yeah. Are you just gonna take a nap already? That didn't take long.
No.
We didn't even eat lunch yet.
Oh, that'll make it worse.
Then you'll have a carb crash. All right, guys, you ready for this pizza? Because I think the pizza's ready for you. Look at you! Look at you!
You know what it is. This one goes out to my people. Yeah. Listen. I am who I am today, 'cause I did it my way. This life.
What are you guys watching?
Mom posted this.
Oh.
This is why you can't walk and look at your phone at the same time.
Oh, I saw that before.
Fall into water and into like.
Nice.
That would suck.
That would totally be Julie, wouldn't it?
You know what? That's when you have to go into one of those stores and buy another outfit. It's like,
Oh my goodness. Don't ever do that, Talya.
I'm not that much addicted to a phone, and I don't even have one.
Yeah. Koen, can you imagine if you saw somebody doing that? Oh my word. Of course, knowing Koen, he would just run up and laugh. Shouldn't run up and laugh at the person. Somebody's snoring away. Oh my goodness.
is that how it sounds?
Look at Brody's like, what's going on? I think something's wrong with Grandma. Grandpa, oh my word. What's he doing? What's he doing?
Go again.
Is he snoring?
He's really good at snoring.
No, I'm done. I'm done. You like that, don't you? I'll bet your dad could snore.
He used to do that not on purpose.
Yeah.
He used to do that just by accident when he was
Randy
sleeping.
just started snoring.
Oh!
This is a very gentle snore.
Would you say if I got bad, you'd send me where?
I'd send you right to that sleep place. I wouldn't like wait as long as my mom did, like to send my dad.
Wait till he's like in your 60s?
Well, my mom had to put up with it for like what, like 10 years before we went.
Decades. Fortunately, I don't. She says I do, but it's really just breathing heavy. It's not really snoring. No.
You're in denial. He's in
No.
denial. Because I will catch him in a light snore. It's not a heavy snore,
It's called breathing.
but it's no.
It's called breathing.
That's not breathing.
It's called heavy breathing.
And I'll poke him and I'll say you're snoring.
You've never done that once. What are you talking about?
I did, and then you'll turn over and stop snoring after I see that.
And I'll turn over and say, "Go get me a drink. I'm thirsty." And then you'll kick me and say, "Go get it yourself, idiot."
Besides, denial is a river in Egypt.
Denial isn't just a river in Egypt.
Oh, it isn't just.
Hi, Evangeline. Where's your mommy? She coming? She's homesick. We're at my mom's now for dinner. We're to celebrate the birthdays. Oh my word. She definitely did it again. Smashed it out of the park. She has an awesome meal planned for everybody. What in the world? What is this? It's a gummy bear. So it's a gummy bear made out of gummies. Ooh, look at how sticky and gooey. We got fettuccine, Alfredo. We got some Brussels sprouts. Roasted Brussels sprouts. Look at them all. Whoa, and we got some steak. And Miss Linnea is letting me sleep again, I think, to eat first. For me to eat first. Thank you. So there's my Aunt Carol. She's meeting Linnea for the first time. She's here from California. And I love her. She's adorable. And you know, it's a lot of work to get through. Kaliana, what do you think of your big, gigantic gummy bear? The kids are enjoying their gummy bear. Although it looks like quite a lot of work to get through that gummy cake. My mom just commented that he probably tore his rotator cuff by doing that. show your gummy. It's very slimy and sticky and looks like a liver. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear
Sandy and Logan.
Happy birthday to you.
Good job.
Now what everybody was waiting for, to dive into those sticky buns. How you enjoying that sticky bun, girl?
I just got a daddy's. It's really good.
I know, we love sticky buns. Look what Talya got from the thrift store the other day.
And it even comes with a matching bun thing. When you have a bun,
Isn't she pretty?
it hangs down.
Yeah, do his little spin. Wow. I was commenting how pretty the candles are and I wanted to videotape them. And as I was trying to videotape them, Jeffrey photobombed, or video bombed I should say. Hi guys. Say we're home. We're home. Oh, big yawn. She was screaming all the way home in the van and we couldn't get her to be quiet. We couldn't get her to stop crying, and to stop crying, Randy had to like put his hand back like this and put a passy. Oh no. So to actually get her to stop crying, he had to move his hand back like this. he had to hold her hand, and that like got her to stop crying, and then he slipped the passy in, kept holding her hand, and then after a while she went to sleep, and then he like removed his hand. But the funny thing is that she just loves her hand held. And Caliana was the same way when she was a baby. She just loved her hand held too. Like that's what calmed them down, is, you know, putting your hand over theirs. And I just think that's so cute.
She thinks it's a
Hold her hand. That's what she likes.
She thinks it's
She
a
loves her hand held.
She thinks that's a baby.
Aww. Give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. So guys, if you're not subscribed yet, join our family and subscribe. Hit the subscribe button. Leave any comments below, questions you have for us, or questions you want us to answer on the actual vlog. Until next time, guys, it's been real. I gotta go feed a baby.
It's been real.
There's joy as the days go passing by. There's hope, a better life for you and I. We'll take our dreams and fly. Together we can try. That's life.